Before I will say anything in this video, let me first of all swallow my fufu and my fresh okra soup. Hey guys, this vlog is gonna be lit. I'm reuniting with my mom.
Guys, so welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Guys, I'm excited today. My mom is coming, okay? My mom is coming to Port Harcourt for the first time in her life. And for the first time visiting me in my husband's house, like everything is just first. So I'm super excited. I'm trying to tidy up everywhere so that everywhere will be nice and clean. See, I'm doing extraordinarily dressing up this time around, okay? So right now I want to iron my best spray. There's light. I say let me do the ironing myself with my hand. So let's just get right into preparing this house for my mom, and then you guys are gonna see my mom when she's here. Yay!
So after all the tori I don't nakuna, I said let me go and start doing ironing. So I have to iron my best spray. The duvet is already ironed because the dry cleaner guy did the job on it already. And this is me done ironing all the best spray pillowcases, the love shape and the rest.
So guys, I'm done ironing. Right now I need to go and do other things in the bedroom before we even lay the bed. See, this room is scattered. Trust me when I say this room is scattered. Let me not even say anything. If I show you guys, no, it's not gonna work. You guys cannot see my, you cannot see my ash.
So this is me. I said let me reorganize the wardrobe. So this is my husband part of the wardrobe. You know, guys always have the small part of the wardrobe, and this is my own big part of the wardrobe. I choose this big part because my clothes is plenty. And then this is the down of my wardrobe. Let me know how the down of your wardrobe look like. Did it look organized or not? So I moved straight to the bedroom and I decided to start removing the bed sprays, and I want to make sure I make this bed. You guys, you know who is coming. My mom is coming. And I want to make sure everywhere is nice and clean because this is our first time reuniting with me in Port Harcourt, and this is our first time or our first trip in Port Harcourt ever. So everything needs to be nice and clean. So you can see that I'm done and we have an So
issue
my
here.
grano gree me out of excitement. I was trying to like zip this thing and this thing don't scatter. My god, should I throw this pillow away? Should I throw the cover away? What do you think I should do next? What is the solution? In fact, listen to the next video.
Spoiled this one. I was trying to force this thing in by force. Some of this thing is bigger, so I have needle and thread, and I'm going to do one work here now. So I hope you guys are not going to say it did not make you look classic, it make you cheap. No, I'll my cheap. It's my chip, but allow me to chip it in. But I cannot leave this like this. And I don't know where to find my friends Aboki now. So I'll do this myself. I have needle and thread in the house. I have, in fact, I have everything. So why do I need to stress? And make sure I buy them because of emergency like this. So let me just finish this. So guys, I'm done. See, it's better. So, my needle and thread, fix it back for another business of the day. It's good to have all of these things in your house, so don't be claiming nonsense.
So who am I not to have needle and thread in the house? That needle and thread did a justice for me. So you too, go and get needle and thread in the house. You might need an emergency that will cause you to like do what I just did now. You see, my needle and thread have saved me from a lot because I didn't see a bouquet at this point of my life, and I can't throw this thing away. I have to put perfume on this bed because oh my god, just listen to the next thing I said.
So the remaining thing now is just for me to do some things in the parlor, then sweep this place, and then the kitchen. Okay, so I still have a lot of work, so I don't know if I'm carrying you guys in all of it. Why I have to spray perfume on this duvet is because I don't wash this duvet myself. We gave it out to the laundry guy to go and wash, but I don't understand the kind of funny soap he used this time around. This is not the first time anyways he's washing for us. He's washing like duvet for us. I wash the bed sprays myself, even the pillowcases. I don't have any issues with that, but the duvets, and not get strength, especially because of where to spray it, in fact. So, but I don't understand the kind of funny soap he used. I'll just probably just talk to him so that he will not do such mistakes next time. Hopefully, God, please bless us with a washing machine so that we'll not be having all this kind of stress. If there's washing machine, why can't I do it myself? Anyways, we move. So yeah, I'm done with the bed. Let me just go and do other things. I'll sure carry you guys in 1 or 2 clips. You guys are definitely gonna see my mom. You're definitely gonna see my mom in this place today.
So as a clean woman that I be, we cannot only do the bedroom, we will always come to the parlor and every part of the house. So I decided to remove cobwebs. I do this once in a week. I don't do it every day. So if you guys check in most of my videos, you guys will not see me doing this, okay? Yeah, but it is good to do all of this once in a week so that you don't have cobwebs staying around your house after everywhere is clean. A stranger will just come and look up and you will see cobwebs. The person will be like, what is happening here? Someone like me, if I go to someone's house, the first thing I see, I don't even see the neatness of the house. I'll just look up. If I see cobwebs, everything you, in fact, all the work where you don't work for that house, no matter how neat it is just rubbish to me. If I see cobwebs, okay, let me know in the comment section if you are my kind of person. What is your off parts when it comes to house stuff? So this is me when I'm done mobbing and every other stuff and I'm trying to like drag this table, and I said, table, please, you need to stay and respect yourself because I don't have time, okay? Luckily for me, NEPA took lights and my fan have to stop rotating, and then I have to start doing the job by myself, okay? So yeah, I move straight to my, oh my god, just listen by yourself.
Jesus Christ. See. Our good guys after now. Anyways, so guys, we bought new plate rack. Yes, I was looking for color blue because I love blue color, this particular blue color, but I didn't get. So this one, we will be dashing it out, okay?
So yeah, so we got a new plate rack and this rack will be going out because once I don't need you again, I don't want to be seeing you. That is the kind of person that I am. I'm not this kind of person that believe that these things must be there even if they are not needed. If they are not needed, they are not needed, so there's no point. I just finished arranging my Indomie. How did you guys see my transition? So I was hungry. I decided to go to the kitchen to go and get my cornflakes. I added milk at this point and I added chocolate as well because I just want to have the feel of both. So this is me, and you guys are going to watch on that transition again. Can you see? Is it easy? Try it and see. If it's easy, you can see. Oh my god, this girl is good. I was so famished and here now I'm satisfied. Listen to what I say, Jerry.
To 4 past 3 to 4. This is 3:37. Sorry. Until now, I'm not done. I never even cook. I never even go market. I never even away. See as my hair is. Anyways, it's just remaining only kitchen for me. I'm done with the bedroom, parlor, corridors, and all the corridors. So I'm just left with the kitchen. Let me just go finish up with the kitchen so that I can start cooking. My mom will be coming. Anyways, let me just go and start, okay? Yeah.
So if you chop, definitely you could go carry plate, go keep inside. So this is me going to cook my plate and I have to come back and drink pure water. Just check out. Bam! Everywhere is clean.
I just got vegetable, meat, stockfish, dry fish, and then pepper. I have every other thing in the house, okay? My egusi, my neighbor here, she's grinding it already because she's one that normally grind for me, okay? So yeah, let's start cooking. I don't know if I'll carry you guys along because the place is already dark and hubby is not at home to on generator for me. If there is light, fine. If lights no come, we move. Anyways, let me start cooking, okay? Let me just quickly say this. I was recognized today in the market by one fellow TikToker, okay? Yeah, when she saw me, she was like, very Sonia. I was like, yes. She said, I knew you from TikTok because I was like, it's me, who am I? Okay. So anyway, social media, we thank you, okay? Thank you so much, TikTok, YouTube, every other place for giving me this opportunity for people to be able to like recognize my face. I'm so grateful. Let's start cooking right now. Let me know in the comment section if you've been recognized like that and how does it feel. Like, I feel so happy. I feel so grateful. It's not easy. Before, who know my face? As at 2019, who know my face? As at 2017, who know my face? But anyways, with God, all things are possible. Let me start.
It's nice to be a best celebrity. Be recognized is something to be really grateful for, and I'm so happy. So my mom came back, but I was not able to show you guys her face because she came back really, really, very, very late. And this morning she said she wants to have pancakes. So in my next video, you guys are going to be seeing her and be seeing all of that good stuff that we are in together. So this is me making pancakes for her. She said she wants to have pancakes and oats, and this is me practically doing it for her. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and tell me the part you enjoy most. I love you. Mwah.